camping trips are better with reliable gear by your side. The best camp stove delivers fast, efficient cooking no matter where you are, making meal prep simple and enjoyable. Compact, durable, and perfect for every outdoor venture. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Coleman Triton Camp Stove. The Coleman Triton Camp Stove is a reliable companion for any outdoor venture. Designed for portability, it easily fits into campsites, picnics, or roadside cooking setups, making it convenient for frequent travelers. Its 2 wind guards shield the burners from wind, ensuring a steady flame even in breezy conditions. The stove's heavy-duty latch keeps it securely closed when not in use, while the removable chrome-plated grate makes cleanup quick and simple. The improved knob rotation allows precise control over 2 independently adjustable burners, offering versatility for simmering or high-heat cooking. With a powerful 22,000 total BTUs of cooking power, it handles everything from boiling water to searing meats with ease. The stove accommodates 12-inch and 10-inch pans, giving ample space for multiple dishes. Overall, the Coleman Triton combines durability, convenience, and performance, making it an ideal choice for campers who want a no-fuss, dependable stove that performs well in varied outdoor conditions. Number 2. ODSD Camp Stove. The ODSD Camp Stove brings convenience and efficiency to outdoor cooking. Its innovative magnetic closure makes setup and storage effortless, saving time during busy camping trips. Equipped with a windproof shield, the stove protects burners from gusts while also providing safety from hot oil splashes. This portable camping stove features dual burners delivering up to 20,000 BTUs, allowing precise control for boiling, grilling, or frying in any outdoor environment. Its compact design folds down to just 10.63 by 9.06 by 5.12 inches and weighs only 3.98 pounds, fitting perfectly in a backpack or carry bag. The stove is built with durable, rust-resistant 304 stainless steel and a heat-proof shell, ensuring longevity through repeated use. Additionally, it comes with a convenient coffee stand, making it versatile for different cooking needs. Lightweight, portable, and powerful, the ODSD Camp Stove is an excellent choice for campers, hikers, tailgaters, or anyone seeking a safe, efficient, and portable stove for outdoor adventures. Number 3. Coleman Triton Propane Camp Stove. The Coleman Triton Propane Camp Stove offers campers dependable performance and ease of use. Its built-in handle ensures smooth portability, while the heavy-duty latch keeps the stove securely closed when not in use. 2 independently adjustable burners with perfect flow and perfect heat technology provide precise temperature control for simmering, boiling, or frying. Ignition is simple with the push-button Insta-Start system, eliminating the need for matches or lighters. The stove also includes removable chrome-plated grates and a rust-resistant aluminized steel cooktop for quick, hassle-free cleaning. Dual wind guards protect burners from wind, maintaining flame stability during outdoor cooking. Compact yet versatile, it fits both 10-inch and 12-inch pans, accommodating various cooking needs. Overall, the Coleman Triton Propane Camp Stove combines portability, safety, and cooking precision, making it an ideal option for campers and outdoor enthusiasts who require reliable performance in any environment.
Number 4. Camp Chef Camp Stove. The Camp Chef Camp Stove is built for campers who demand high power and versatility in outdoor cooking. With 2 burners delivering a combined 40,000 BTUs, it provides more heat than most average camp stoves, ensuring fast boiling, searing, or grilling, even in windy conditions. A folding lid doubles as a three-sided wind guard to keep flames steady, while also functioning as a secure latch for transportation. The stove's cooking surface spans 215 square inches, large enough to fit two 10-inch skillets side by side, and it is compatible with Camp Chef's universal flat-top griddle. Durable, compact, and powerful, this stove is perfect for families, tailgaters, and camping enthusiasts who need a robust cooking solution in the outdoors, combining convenience, reliability, and superior heat output.
Number 5. CampingFlame Camp Stove. The CampingFlame Camp Stove is designed for flexibility and portability, making it a practical choice for outdoor cooking. Featuring 3 independently adjustable burners, including 2 with piezo ignition at 6,600 BTUs and a central burner for toasting at 7,200 BTUs, it accommodates a variety of cooking tasks. Its compact design and lightweight construction, only 10 pounds, make transportation effortless, and the convenient carry handle allows it to fit in backpacks, storage boxes, or large tote bags. The stove comes with a removable drip tray for easy cleaning, ensuring minimal hassle after cooking. Installation is simple. Just connect a 16-ounce propane tank and it's ready to use, with optional connectors for larger tanks. Additionally, a windshield fixing clip helps maintain performance even in windy conditions. Combining portability, power, and convenience, the CampingFlame Camp Stove is ideal for campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want an efficient, easy-to-use stove capable of handling multiple cooking tasks on the go. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.